First, we'll have declaration of function, second, function name, and third, list of parameters. As we'll not return a value, declaration of function will be void, no return. Function name, as we have swap of two variables, and function name will be descriptor for the action it takes. We'll take swap variables. List of input parameters will be first number, second number. We'll take the two variables as integer. Second number, integer, first number, opening curly brace. We'll take a temporary variable, integer temp. We are using a temporary variable not to use the other number. We'll say first number will take the value of second number. But first, as we said, temp equal first number, and the second number will take the value of temp, that is the value of the first number. We'll print the result to the user. The new values are %d for the first number and %d for the second number. As we don't have to return any value, we'll put a closing curly brace. As we mentioned, first we have declaration type void, function name, swap of variables, integer first number, integer second number, opening curly brace. We'll declare a variable called temp. The temp will save the value of the number that will be replaced with the value of the other number. First we'll say temp equal first number. First number will take the value of the second number. At the least, second number will take the value of temporary variable, that is the value of the first number. Now we'll print the result to the users. The swap values are first number, %d, second number, %d, and also the variables names. Now we are done with the function. We'll go on the main function, integer main, that there will be the function call. Again, declaration of numbers will say int a, b. We'll say to the user to give the numbers. Using scanf, we'll take the values %d and first number, also %d for the second number. Before we call the function and have the values swapped, we'll see the actual values. The values given are new line, first number, %d, second number, %d. That will be variables names if we take names of variables in the function, but we'll have declared the variables as a and b on the main, so we'll replace with a and b. And now we'll make the function call. Function is called with its name, and the list of parameters will be a and b, as we take for the first number and second number. At the least, return 0. Now we'll see the result. The values of the first number and second number, we say 3, 4. The values given are first number 3, second number 4. The swap values are first number 4 and second number 3. We're right.
Yourfastcode is an educational site and to inform about programming. Yourfastcode consists of site on YouTube and blog, and it is also on social sites like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Yourfastcode has extensive programming information and currently programming language C. The blog and YouTube explain topics such as simple exercises in C. Function in C, arrays in two-dimensional arrays in C, etc.